So I'm going to show you how to get started with Wix. I believe you use this site a little bit or something similar called Weebly, but we're going to use Wix.com to create our next website, which is for DJ Turntable. So if you just go to Wix.com, W-I-X, if you already have an account, you can sign in, like I have an account already, but if you do not have an account, you'll just go to Get Started. And once you get here where it says login and it says new to Wix, you will just click sign up and you will have to go ahead and put in your information, or you can continue with Facebook or with Google, which is kind of something that might be handy. Now I will not have access to your usernames or your passwords, so that's going to be something that you will have to keep track of yourself. So I am logged in now, and what you can do is on top, and yours could be a little bit different when you create a brand new one, but I'm going to go to My Sites, and then from there we can create a new site. So that's up on top here, there's these buttons, you can create a new folder. I want to create a new site, and that's what you should do as well too. So they're going to ask, and this may be right where you will even start at, what kind of website do you want to create? So this one's going to be for a business. I guess it is for music as well too, but I'm going to go business. And I am going to create your website with the Wix editor. So I want to choose a template that's already made for me, because that's going to save me just a ton of work. And what you'll do is you can go through, there's tons of templates, you can browse through different ones, there's maybe even one for a DJ that you can search for. And once you find one, you can click view to see what it looks like. Make sure the price is free. We don't want to pick one that we have to pay for. That would be unnecessary. So go ahead and go through and find one that you like, and I will too. I ended up searching for DJ. And I found a lot of different ones that would work really well. So you can choose, and you don't have to pick one that's a DJ one either. It really doesn't matter because we're going to be making a lot of changes to it anyways. But once you find one that you like, you can click edit, and it'll take just a little bit of time here. It's just building our site. So wait a minute. So what we're going to create first will be our home page, but we're also going to create our menu bar, which will link to all of the other pages. Now, one really cool thing with Wix is that they have a lot of pictures online that we can use that are for free, which is nice. And the more playing around you do, the easier this is going to be. So, whatever your page looks like, it doesn't really matter. You want it to look nice, but this is still going to be the same. Is that we're going to have on the left side some different options here. I'm going to start with the add button here, because this is where we can add different text boxes, we can add pictures, we can do a gallery of different pictures, we can put in some clip art, we can do shapes, you can make interactive ones as well too, buttons, box, strips are really nice too for just information. You can put in videos and music, contact forms. There's a whole bunch of different things that we can do on here. I don't want to add anything right now. There's also this app market. Some of them you pay for, some of them you don't. So if you wanted to add an Instagram feed, you could. You will also have your media where we can upload your pictures that you want as well too, that you find online. But the one I want to go to, if I close out of this even, this will come back. I want to do the menus and pages. So in your book, either online or once you get the paper copy mailed to you, you can see the website map on page 40. And it has the name of all the pages in our site. So they already have, this is what mine looks like currently, and it doesn't matter what yours looks like, we'll get it to all look the same. The very first one where it says welcome, we actually want this one to be home. So if you click this little circle to the right here, we can then go to rename, and I'm going to name it home, and then done. Now the next page, if I'm looking at my site map, is going to be the About Us page. So I'm going to rename this About, and click Done. Notice too, the home page, this one has a little house by it. That just means that this is going to be the page that you start with when you go to this website. Okay, so underneath About, I'm going to rename this one My Story. So I'll rename My Story because that's the next page. And now the My Story page is actually going to be a submenu link on the About Us page. So if I click the Options button to the right of My Story, and then if I click Subpage, it's now a subpage to About. So there's Home, About. The next one we'll have is Packages. And no matter what your pages are named here, it doesn't matter. I'll show you how we get more pages too when we're done. Packages. This one here, I don't need a subpage. So what I can do is make it a main page. So after Packages, I want to have Events. Done. And then Events has 4 different sub-menu links for events. So this first one here, if I rename, this is Weddings, and I can go ahead and make this a sub-page. Now I need more pages, so I'm just going to add another page here. And this one is School. Whoa, I should spell school right. School Celebrations. Done. Add a page. Corporate Events. One more, Special Occasions. And then done. I can also click this little minus sign here next to Events if I want to. I'm going to do that later here at the end too. So I need 4 different pages on here. So I'm going to add another page. This one is for reviews, and this should not be a submenu. This needs to be a main page, so I'll just change that to main page. Add another one. This one is gallery. Another page. This one is resources. And then our last one is going to be contact. Okay, I can't make that any bigger. So this is what your menu will look like no matter what type of site template you picked. It really does not matter. It's nice. I mean, I hope you guys all pick different ones, so I have something exciting or different to look at on everyone's page. But look on page 40, and I'm just going to review. I have Home, I have About, which has my story as a submenu page. I have Packages, and then I have Events with my 4 different events. Reviews, Gallery, Resources, and Contact. Those are all the main pages there too. Now, if I close out of this here, I can look at my menu up here, and what you can do is I'm going to preview my page. And now when I go ahead and hover over my different ones, like for events, I have my submenus that are appearing here, and like About, I have my story. So I can click and I can go to School Celebrations. You can go to all those different pages, which I haven't made yet, but it is here. So I'm going to go back to Editor. So it's way easier, Wix, with this online program to make our menu, which is so handy. So if I go to Menus and Pages, here they are. So I'll go to my home page. So I'm working about that here.